Good afternoon. I'm here this afternoon at West Carclaze Garden Village to do a virtual viewing of 17 Wheal Arthur Road, which is a 4-bedroom detached 3-storey family home. So this is on phase 1 of the development, which is now completed, and this is an eco home. So these properties are EPC A rated and have a range of eco features to give you very low running costs, which I'll show you as we go through the property. So at the front we have 2 block paved parking spaces, and then there's some useful storage space down the side of the property there with a gate through to the rear garden. So we come in the entrance hall. So the owners have beautifully presented this property, and you can see we've got some wood panelling on the walls here and some really good quality LVT Invictus flooring right through the ground floor. So that's really hard wearing. To our right hand side we've just got a meter cupboard here. So this has got the solar panel meter as well as the normal electric meter. And then we have a cloakroom on the right hand side. Again, the flooring extends through here. WC, we've got the waterfall taps right through the property as well. So the homes are fully electric homes, and the owners do sell the electric back to the grid that they don't use from the solar panels on the roof. And an interesting fact is that in June their electric bill was actually £3, so you can't argue with that. You've got an understair cupboard here, great storage space. And then we come through into the lounge dining room. Again, we've got this lovely flooring right the way through here. So we've got a tall tilt window on the left. And then over here, fixed window and door out into the garden. So we'll take you out there in a moment, but really nicely planned out, low maintenance and south facing garden. So then we come through into the kitchen. And this is a really nice quality Howden's kitchen in sage green. And this comes with a full range of appliances. So we have a Bosch fridge freezer, dishwasher, washing machine, and then we've got double oven, induction hob and filter hood. One thing you might not be able to get from this video is that they've got taller than average ceilings as well, which gives you the very large windows here with the idea of giving you a real sense of space and light in the properties. So we'll go up to the first floor. Nice wide stairs as well. So this property has the benefit of having 2 optional master bedrooms, really, to be honest. This is the current master bedroom on the first floor, so it's a nice sized double room. And then we've got tall windows and a Juliet balcony out to the rear. Then we have the ensuite shower room, again, with a nice quality flooring. Window in there, toilet with hidden cistern. Sink, waterfall taps, and a good sized double shower. And also a heated towel rail. And we have the family bathroom. Again, really nicely fitted. Rain head shower there. A separate handheld shower head as well. over the bath, sink, WC, lovely wallpaper in here, and a heated towel rail. Then we have bedroom 3, so this is also a nice sized double room. And here you've got again the full height windows with the tilt ventilation looking out to the front of the property. And as you can see, there's nothing opposite there either, straight in front of you. So the current owners use the 4th bedroom as a dressing room, so that's a nice space to use if you've got the extra room like that. So that's all across there, and you've got the Juliet balcony with the full height window at the front as well. So we then go up the stairs again to the 2nd floor. So to our right, this is the other room, which could be a master bedroom, depending on what you want to, how you want to use the house. This is currently used as a sort of a snug, a second sitting room by the current owners. So you've got the nice, you're up into the roof space here. So you've got the nice ceiling height, Velux windows there with blinds as well. And then this lovely apex window. So this is a good time to show you out the back. This is actually the primary school's sports field. So this is being developed at the moment, and you will have nice green open space here at the back. Then we have a wardrobe space on the landing. And then we come through to another shower room. So again, same quality of fittings, heated towel rail, waterfall taps, and another double shower cubicle here with the rain head tap, the shower head, sorry. Flooring. And then we come through to this additional room, which really isn't anything room. So this is where the technology for the house is located. In front of us here we've got the MVHR system, so that's the mechanical ventilation heat recovery system, and that is providing fresh air throughout the house because they are very airtight homes. We also then have the solar panel inverter in here, and the large hot water storage tank, which has got the air source heat pump sitting on top there. So that is taking warmth from the air outside and using it to prime your hot water. So again, saving you energy on heating your hot water. So this could be office space, storage space, a gym. It could be really anything that you like. It's just very useful additional space. So we'll pop back downstairs and have a look at the garden. So the owners have made this a really lovely low maintenance rear garden. As I said at the beginning, it is a south facing garden. You have got the patio area here, and then they've added these raised beds and also the chippings. So it really is a sort of lock up and leave type of garden if you did want to. And then at the far end you've got the patio area, or sorry, decked seating area here. To say, this will be the school sports field, so this will be nice green space. And then we've also got this really nice size shed stroke workshop here on the left as well. As you can see, it's a really good space, proper man cave, dare I say, but you've got power and lights out here, so great as a workshop if you need that additional space. And then gate to the side access. So this is 17 Wheal Arthur Road. So for further information or to arrange a viewing, please contact the Bodmin office on 01208 73298.